really friendly on campus. They're all, can I help you with anything? Are you doing okay? I really like that. You can already tell that the community is really strong.
Wow, what a welcome. I mean, that just helps all the jitters and all the initial move in, you know, anxiety, and just realize, oh, this is going to be a good place. Yeah.
So like first day moving in, like everybody's like super welcoming. Like the whole football team got all my stuff, which was like super nice to everybody. Dyke Taylor came and met us and shook hands, and just felt super welcomed, and I can say I'm at home.
I'm just excited to see where God leads me down this path my first year, to figure out what I'm passionate about, but what also I love, and figuring out how to serve the world through Christ, you know. So I'm really excited about that.
Most excited about football games. Can't wait to go to the football games. Cheers.
That's right! Woo!
I'm a frisbee, I'm a frisbee. Students, you are now officially a part of the Whitworth class of 2018.